Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a Google account from your YouTube app on your phone. So it's very important to note that to do this, you actually have to remove the Google account from your entire device. This will also sign you out of any other apps like Gmail and Play Store for the specific account. So I'll show you exactly how it works. So now, without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now, the easiest way to begin is by starting right inside the YouTube app. So as it has a convenient shortcut, go ahead and open the application itself. Now, once you're on the home page, here is how to get to the right setting. First, tap on the Profile option, which should be at the bottom right-hand side corner of your application. Then, on this page, simply choose Switch Account. And then you will see the list of all the Google accounts you are currently signed into. Now, at the bottom of this list, tap the option called Manage Accounts, and tapping Manage Accounts will take you out of YouTube and directly into your phone's main account settings. So over here, just scroll down and click on Google. And then you should be able to see the list of all the Google accounts currently signed into your device, which you can see right over here. Now what you do is just simply find the email address that you want to remove or sign out, then tap on it. Now this will open a detailed page for this specific account. Now to remove it, just simply follow these simple steps. So what you do is look for the option called Remove Account button, or just simply click on the More option, which is at the very bottom. And over here, you should be able to see the Remove Account button. So just tap on Remove Account. Then a small pop-up warning will appear in front of you, which will tell you what will happen if you remove the account. So just tap Remove Account.
Now, once you do that, it should remove the account from your phone. Now, doing this will not delete the Google account itself. It just signs you out from this device. So once you have done that, you can go ahead and go back to YouTube, and you will find that the account that was previously signed in is now no longer available. So that's it. You now know how to remove Google accounts from the YouTube app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.